want to listen to somebody talk and sensationalize what's going on. They want to do research, and they want to go see data, and they want to see what the experts are saying. Today I'm sharing with you what these experts are talking about. So the goal is by the time you're done, you're living a busy life, you can say, okay, I kind of have an idea what's taking place with this. So let's go through the timeline, and everything I talk about, I'm going to leave the links below for you to go take a look at. First things first. September 31st, China alerts WHO, which is a World Health Organization, of a flu-like case in Wuhan, right? We don't really know much about it right now, but at least they alerted them. On January 1st, Wuhan market identified as the outbreak hub. On January 5th, WHO, World Health Organization, advises against travel restrictions. Again, against, not for it. The same ones that said this is a pandemic advised against travel restrictions because they were not yet too worried about it. January 6th, SARS, MERS, and bird flu ruled out. January 11th, first death reported. 61-year-old man went to the hospital on the 27th of December. He thought he had flu. He ends up dying on January 11th. January 13th, first confirmed case outside of China in Thailand. January 17th, second death, 69-year-old man from Wuhan. January 21st, U.S.'s first coronavirus case in Washington, 30-year-old man who traveled back from China. January 22nd, WHO declares international health emergency. Okay, now they're taking a little bit more seriously. January 23rd, China implements travel ban to and from Wuhan. Wuhan's a pretty big place, pretty big city. The whole Hubei community is around 50 million people. So that's a pretty big deal they announced right there. January 29th, death toll touches 132. 5,974 cases infected, right? January 30th, Russia closes 2,700-mile border to China. January 30th, Russia already said no one can come here from China. February 2nd, Trump announces travel ban to and from China. February 7th, Chinese whistleblower doctor who tried to issue early warning dies of coronavirus. Let me say this again. This doctor, he's worried that this could be bigger than what they think it is, but Chinese government is trying to prevent him. He's a whistleblower. He comes on and says, you guys got to be worried about this. The same doctor ends up dying. Death toll hits 638. February 11th, WHO gives name, coronavirus COVID-19. February 19th, death toll hits 2,000. February 22nd, Italy reports death. 78-year-old man. Iran reports 2 deaths. February 27, Iranian VP is officially testing positive for the coronavirus. February 29, U.S. officially reports the first death, and Trump announces travel ban to and from Iran. March 3rd, 3,000 death toll. WHO staff member tests positive. This next one's very interesting. On March 3rd, Iran releases 54,000 prisoners to prevent spread of the virus. 54,000 prisoners. Go ahead, you're free. This is a way of us trying to prevent the virus because everybody's in prison together. March 9, Italian Prime Minister imposes countrywide lockdown. U.S. death toll hits 26. March 11th, this is a big day. WHO declares the outbreak of pandemic and Trump extends a travel ban to and from Europe. March 12th, Italy's death toll hits 1,000 in Italy. And Trump on March 13th declares national emergency. Death toll hits 5,500. Today, cases, 173,000. Death toll, 6664. By the time you watch this number is increasing. The date I'm shooting this is Monday, March 16th is the date today. So you can go back and look at